Welcome to Orage Technologies, your go to source for all things digital marketing. Today, we have got an exciting topic lined up for you, the Meta Business Suite. If you are a small business owner looking to up your social media game, you are in the right place. So, let's dive into the world of Meta Business Suite, the ultimate solution for all small and medium sized businesses. This powerful platform is designed to simplify your social media management, and we are here to show you how it can transform your business. What is Meta Business Suite? First things first, what exactly is Meta Business Suite? It's like your social media command center, bringing together your Instagram business account, messaging, and Facebook business manager into one user friendly dashboard. With features like responding to messages, scheduling posts, and checking account insights, it is a game changer for business owners. How to use Meta Business Suite. Now, let's talk about how to get started with Meta Business Suite. Setting up your Facebook business account is the first step. Just head to the login page, hit create an account, and follow the prompts. Fill in your details, select your Instagram and Facebook accounts, add your team members, and review your business account. Easy, right? Why is Meta Business Suite important for small businesses? Now, you might be wondering, why is Meta Business Suite crucial for small businesses? Well, with the ever changing landscape of social media advertising, Meta Business Suite is Meta's solution to help businesses connect better with their target audience, especially after the iOS 14.5 update. Features of Meta Business Suite for small businesses. Here is a quick rundown of what you can do with Meta Business Suite. From generating to-do lists, handling notifications, accessing audience, growth insights, creating and scheduling social media content, to even searching for content inspiration. It is a one-stop shop for small businesses to thrive in the digital world. How Meta Business Suite aids small businesses. Now let's talk about how Meta Business Suite can help your businesses generate leads and secure conversions despite data tracking limitations. We will explore tools like observing and replying to DMs and comments, acquiring businesses, account insights, creating and scheduling social stories and posts, and tracking ad performance. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Meta Business Suite for small businesses with its tools and features. You can streamline your social media efforts, connect with customers, and boost your business. From generating leads to securing conversions, Meta Business Suite has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more digital marketing insights, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy marketing!